One way to extend application opportunities is by expanding the media range, which is what we've done with the all-new lightweight media kit for the Xerox Baltoro HF inkjet press. The lightweight media kit installs to one or more high-capacity stackers. It is used to print on uncoated medias down to 52 GSM and coated stocks down to 80 GSM. Lightweight paper is exceptionally fragile, so proper handling is always a concern for customers. That's why the exclusive TechNow sheet feeder is critical for lightweight application production. It offers up to 5 hours of continuous, touchless feeding. Consult the tested substrate list on Xerox.com to find validated lightweight media. The lightweight media kit and the TechNow sheet feeder, just another way Baltoro is simplifying new application opportunities.